Hello guys, this is just going to be a simple video on how to convert Mkv to Mp4 video. It's not going to be any big deal like trying to do it on the internet and suffer from lots of ads before you can be able to do it. This is just done all in Windows. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, open the folder where the videos are located, like mine. Here we have the folder here. Open the folder, and this is my video. If you go onto it, as you can see on this, we have, if you right click and go to it properties, it shows that it is an Mkv file, which is here, Mkv file. So to do this, to change this to Mp4, it's very simple in Windows to do. So in the folder here, at the top, just go to the View tab, click on the View tab, and on the View tab, on your right side pane, click on Options here. Now, as you can see, change folder and search options. So click on that. Now, once it's open as it's here, click on the View tab once again, and on the View tab below we have Advanced Settings, and under Advanced Settings, just look for Hide Extension for Unknown File Types. So let's see here, as we have it here, Hide Extensions for Unknown File Types. So uncheck that and apply. Now, once you apply, you click on OK. Here we can see now the file type is now available. As you can see, before it was not visible, now it is available. So to change the file to Mp4, just right click on it and click on rename. Now on the rename tab, you can see we have a full stop here. So after the full stop, just clean the Mkv and change it to Mp4, and just click on yes. So this is the option that is given. If you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, we want to change it. So just change it, and voila, it is converted to Mp4. So if we try to play it here, let's try to play it. Now let's select a player to play that, and you can see the video working normal here, and this is the video playing. So let's close that and check to see the properties, the kind of format that is also having. So right click on the video and go to its properties once again, and as you can see now, the type of file is Mp4 file. So that is how to change Mkv to Mp4 file. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace.